Everybody, welcome to Life of Sunny Lee, and we are still decluttering and cleaning the house. And this is week 9, and we're working in the laundry room. And there's a few things we're going to do this week. We're going to clean all around the washer and dryer, get the lint and stuff out from underneath of it, check the lint basket that goes outside, make sure it's clean, no lint's trapped in it, make sure all the connections are still fine. And then we're going to start working on decluttering the detergents and stuff, getting them organized. Anything that's out of date or you use up right away, or we'll use it up right away. And then we're going to declutter the shelves, and we're going to add a little fun decor to the area. And we're going to fix a stain removal chart. So that is what we're doing this week, and it's going to be one day at a time, 15 minutes, and go from there. And this is what it looks like right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean the washer and the dryer and this little area over here, the drying area, and I'm going to clean the lint trap out. Okay, don't forget to clean underneath the edge here. Clean out your bleach areas and your lock areas. Clean those well. Clean this area around here above there. Clean those out good. Clean underneath up. Just give it a good clean. And then afterwards, follow your instructions that came with the washer to actually clean the washer and disinfect the washer itself. There's different ways of doing it. You can use bleach. You can buy a special detergent for it. But don't forget that you need to clean the inside of the washer as well as decluttering around the outside. So, got that done. Let's move on to the dryer. Okay, second day I worked on the first shelf, and I added a little fun decor to it, as well as organizing it, and I think it looks so much neater. And tomorrow I will do the top shelf, and we'll get that done. Okay, next day is I worked on the top shelf, got it organized. I do have labels coming, but this first box is all my ingredients for homemade detergent, which is here, and some of the other, this is also for the homemade, and this is for miscellaneous stuff that I use in the laundry areas, like labels and laundry bags and stuff like that. Then the next day I organized this shelf. This is good rags. These microfabric rags, throwaway rags. This is all window stuff to clean windows, and these are extra towels that actually belong to this bathroom, which we haven't got done yet. And down here I have this sweater rack that we use all the time, and I decided to go ahead and get these little drawers, because we never use I hardly ever use these bottom ones. So I figure I can use those, and I'm going to label it with all our different names, and that way if we take some laundry out, we can just pop them in those, fold them up and put them in that bin, and then they can come and get them as they need them. Usually I don't have any laundry. They usually take care of their own laundry, but every once in a while we'll come in here and find something in the dryer, and if there's something in the dryer, I can just take it out and put it in their bin, and they can come and get it. So this is what the laundry room now looks like. It looks a lot neater, a lot cleaner. And oh, this I made a long time ago. It's my change. If I find any change in anybody's pockets, it goes in there, and anybody is welcome to take whatever they need change wise out of the jar. So that's what that is. So that's everything. I'm really very pleased with it. Looks a lot neater. And of course, the area there is for the ironing boards and for any clothes that need to be hung to dry. And the boys haven't picked up their clothes that were washed yet. So, okay, another thing you need to do is get a stain removal chart. And I've had this one forever. I laminated it and just put it on the side with magnets to so we can check it whenever we need it. You can buy them at Amazon, metal ones, if you want to hang them on the wall, or you can just go and copy a file off the internet and laminate it and put it up any way you want to do it. This is the way I did it. Hopefully you've got your laundry room looking neat and tidy and more convenient. And stay tuned for next week when we go to the next project that we're going to be working on. So like, share, subscribe, dream big, follow that dream, and God bless you. Bye everybody.